Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Neha Paul and today I'm going to do a review on Misha Makes Friends by Tom Percival. So as you have seen my other videos of Tom Percival, I have purchased the other books too. Those are Perfectly Normal and Ruby's Worry, and these books are quite meaningful and has very good illustrations and pictures. So let's get started with the book. So the big size of the book is almost two size of my palm, and when you open this book there is a small note for the readers of the book to know why this book is necessary for your child and how useful it can be for your child. So this book is all about how Misha needs to make friends. So they have mentioned how kids find it difficult to make friends, and they have just explained it so well, where the as you could see, the storyline is quite short, so the kids can understand the story very easily if you explain to them. It's not long and boring story. The short stories are preferred for toddlers, so they love to read. So that's the reason I prefer buying shorter stories for kids, for my daughter right now, and she loves more of shorter stories than of longer stories. So this story is all about Misha. She's a small child like my daughter as well. So she just loves to do a lot of things and she enjoys doing things, but everything she does it by herself alone at home. So it's mentioned Misha loved making things. So she used to make pictures out of numbers and sounds. Also she used to make pictures. Sometimes she made pictures out of both sound and numbers. So she used to do all of different things, but the main thing was to make friends, and she used to find it very hard to make friends. Like whenever she started to talk with friends, she didn't really go well with them, and she used to feel really bad, and she used to find it difficult, and she wondered what I should do to make friends. Then one evening Misha decides that she would start painting, and she would remove all the things to make a craft, like scissors, pencils, colors, paints, and all the tools she removed, and she started creating some things. And then she created many friends like this, like the craft items with the craft items, and she treated them as a friends, and it was fun for her to be with them, and she used to take them everywhere wherever she wants, and it was easy to be with them. But the main thing was, if she was about to play tennis, football, or catch, whatever it is, those friends couldn't play with them, but she was still happy because she was comfortable with them. So one day her parents said, Misha, we are going to a party and it will be really fun. But Misha wasn't sure that whether she should go there. But then as she went there, she tried to get used to, but then the party was so noisy, chaotic, and really unpredictable, and everyone was playing together, but she couldn't play. So she went to some corner and started playing with a friend, and then suddenly a boy watches her, and she calls him, the boy calls him, and he tells her, I'm Josh, can I see what you're making? And then she decides to teach him how to do, and he wanted to learn how did she made all those things. So at first she felt that he would spoil everything and he won't do it right, but then later on she found that he did everything well, nothing went wrong. And then they made so many things. They made a whole city for her friends, for the characters which she had made. They both together played together, and she found it really fun. And then the boy said, let's go show other friends too. and she did not hesitate this time, and she was very happy to show everyone else, and that's how she started making friends, and she was helping so many friends how to make all those things. So even if your child has a lot of activities, lot of skills to make things or do something, they tend to not have the skill to make friends. That's really difficult for kids. I have noticed in my daughter too, she doesn't get mixed so well. So we as parents need to guide them to some extent, and such stories to help them to understand that you need friends and how do you make friends. So storybooks are always helpful, I have noticed that. So that's the reason I purchased this book. So hope I would be linking the I had purchased it from Amazon, so I would link that in the description box, so for your reference if you would like to purchase it. It was not so expensive, so I really liked it. And that's all for my video. If you like my video, please do like, subscribe and share, and thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.